Hey guys, Clancy Adams here from LJ Hooker Gympie, and today I'm at 37 Rifle Range Road, Gympie, to show you one of the most meticulously renovated homes I've come across. I can't wait to show you around. Come take a look. I'm currently walking out of the generous sized butler's pantry / kitchen into this beautiful open plan kitchen area that has everything you need. It features views over the pool and the backyard and flows well onto the large open plan dining and living area. The home features VJ walls throughout, 11-foot high ceilings, a beautiful fireplace in the main living area for your heating, whilst you've got air conditioning and heaters right throughout the home. The 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 4-car garage home features an additional office nook, large back deck and multiple outdoor living areas. Everything in this home has been completely redone or replaced. From the wiring, plumbing, flooring, painting and even the windows have been completely replaced. The property features dual street access, and one of the access points is to this large shed behind me. It features high clearance electric roller doors, is insulated, has power points and lights absolutely everywhere. It will impress any bloke looking for a great shed. And of course, coming into summer, this pool is going to be a great family hit. My name's Clancy Adams. Thank you for watching. I urge you to contact me today to book an inspection to avoid disappointment.